are x, y, z. What are numbers? Numbers are called constants. If they are without any x, y, z, and x, y, z are called variables.
So you're not audible.
Am I not audible?
Sir is.
So you're audible.
Sir, you are audible.
So Miss D, I am audible. Am I audible, Miss D? So Gaurish and Geetal, start your camera.
Yeah, you're on mute.
So the sum of x and 3 added to y. And we have one more question. Y added to the sum of x and 7. So here, first I have x
Sir,
and
I can't
7.
hear you.
You cannot hear me? Rejoin, beta. Rejoin.
How does he hear you?
Yeah, rejoin. So y added to the sum of x and 7. Sum of x and 7 is this. Any confusion in this? Sum of x and 7 I can write like this, correct? Now I can use a bracket also. Smiley, pay attention. Why will I use a bracket? Smiley, look here on the screen. Why will I use a bracket? Because y is added to this sum. Just to show कि ये sum मैं पहले करूंगा या ये अलग है. I will add a bracket. Y added to the sum of x and 7. I will add y plus x plus 7. Have you understood this? Now
Yes, sir.
everyone give the answer of F part. I am giving you 40 seconds. Time starts now. 1 minute. Time starts now, including typing.
So do we also have to write the answer we get at the end? What is y plus x plus?
And हितांश आप लास्ट क्लास में नहीं थे. मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं. x added to 10 is written as 10 plus x. यही आंसर हो गया. This is called an algebraic expression. पूरा सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे. x added to y is written as y plus x. 2 more than z is written at z plus 2. Sum of y and 5 is y plus 5. Okay, Mr. Ba. Fine.
Sir, you're the co-host today.
Yes, beta. I have told you, no, ma'am is very strict. She's told me that I have to be the co-host.
Then tell her to switch on her camera.
Beta, I can't tell you, no.
Sir, where are the brackets? I can't find them.
Brackets is above the 9 key, 9 key.
9 and 0.
Oh, yeah.
So, Dharam, did you place?
What?
Did you place?
Place?
All right.
Yeah.
So I will write
So sorry, I was not
sum
able to
of
find
x and
the
u
brackets.
x plus 3 added to y is y. Sum of x plus 3 added to y is x plus 3 and y. Now, guys, when we do subtraction, guys, one thing I want to tell you that when I do x decreased by 4, means आप x को कम कर रहे हो 4 से. So it will be x minus 4. Now ये x minus 4 क्यों हुआ? 4 minus x क्यों नहीं हुआ? This is, guys, ये mathematics नहीं है, ये English है. You have to help yourself a little bit कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? What's in the language? I can try to help you explain the language, but you will have to also have to help yourself a little bit. Y decreased by x. मैं y को कम कर रहा हूं x से. So what will be my answer, Candy?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Y decreased by x.
X minus 5.
नहीं बेटा. Y को मैं कम कर रहा हूं decrease by x. So y decrease by x, y minus x. Again बेटा English है. Understand, कुछ भी mathematics के केवल y और x है वो आपको समझ आ गए. अब ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because I am decreasing y by x. Y को कम कर रहे हो x से. तो x को y से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. Understood? C part, D part, everyone give the answer in the chat. C and D.
Sir, can I go and drink water?
Who wants to drink? Name?
Sir, Arnav. So, Mr. Blah.
Mr. Black, give the answer then go.
Sir,
Which one do we have to do?
Diya, wakey Diya. We have to do the C and D part.
So you have circled too many.
Because I was explaining, no? I'm sorry I circled too many. Diya, quickly guys, quickly.
So why did you show the answer of G part?
I didn't show the answer, it's just visible.
Then I'm super confused.
Mahuri, you? Who said who is
Yes.
super confused? Mahuri, I'll explain better, don't worry. Again,
But I
beta,
did not
it's
say that.
English.
So I did not say that.
Someone said, na, who is super confused? Who said?
Sir, Mahuri is actually super confused because she got both of them wrong.
It's okay, it's okay. We can make mistakes. Beta, English hai ye. When it comes to mathematics, Mahuri will not make mistake. Abhi English hai. So, Smiley, what is the answer for the C part?
Sir, I'm sending.
You can speak better. Time is up. Smiley, what is the answer for the C part? Chatty up. Chatty, you speak the
I
answer
sent
for
it.
the.
Sir, I sent her.
You sent. So, Miss Smiley. Where is Smiley? All right. So, Mahuri, 7 less than y. So, we have to subtract 7 from y. All right, Mahuri.
Yes, sir.
Now 8 reduced by z. अब मुझे 8 को reduce करना है किससे? By z. So I don't have to reduce z. I have to reduce 8 by z. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Next,
sir, I didn't understand the D part.
you did not understand.
No, sir.
Again, beta, it's English. 8 reduced by z. 8 को reduce करो z से. 8 को कम करो z से.
So shouldn't it be opposite?
No, बेटा. मैं z को reduce नहीं कर रहा, 8 को reduce कर रहा हूँ this time.
So sir, if you are reducing 8, the bigger number will come in the front.
बेटा, this bigger number, smaller number कुछ नहीं होता. Now we have learned negative numbers also. Now you can do 7 minus 12 also and 12 minus 7 also. So there is nothing like bigger number, smaller number now. That is in grade 3, 4. Bus.
Okay.
So 10 less than x. Mahuri, what will be my answer?
Sir, it will be x minus 10.
It will be x minus 10 क्योंकि मुझे x को less करना है 10 से. So
Yes,
F
sir.
part, everyone give me the answer in the chat.
So there was a network issue, so I left the meeting.
Yes,
Can you-
beta, yes.
Can you explain the D part?
D part बेटा 8 reduced by z. अब आपको किसको reduce करना है? 8 को. किससे reduce करना है? Z से. So it will be 8 minus z.
And the E part?
E part 10 less than x means x से 10 less करो.
Okay, sir.
Okay, again बेटा Again, you are not asking me a maths question. You are asking me an English question. Remember this.
Sir,
Chatty beta,
sir,
we have
F.
to do the F part.
Okay.
X less than the sum of y and 3. क्या कर रहे हो आप? पढ़ो अच्छे से. Chatty matty. Oh, chatty matty. Resend the answer to ma'am.
Sir, I'm very confused right now.
You are very confused. चलो मैं बता देता हूँ. इंग्लिश में कंफ्यूज हो ना, फिर चलेगा.
No, sir, I'm confused with what question to do.
See, I have given x less than the sum of y and 3. Let me explain. So first, I will get the sum of y and 3, which will be y plus 3. Any doubts in this?
Minus
Any
X.
doubts in this, guys? Now, इसमें से मुझे x less करना है, तो minus x कर दूंगा.
Sir, I know the answer, but I didn't know the question you asked.
Because you were not paying attention, chatty.
Sir, I was.
All right, everyone understood. Gauri understood.
Yes, sir.
Gauri, Chippy understood. Next, guys, do the G part, half minute. Do the G part, half minute. Now tell me, everyone, are we able to understand? Oh, Chippy, everyone, are we able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will understand, definitely. I will not spare you if you don't understand.
Okay, sir.
Sir, for example, if we replace z by 3, then would the equation be solvable?
बेटा पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वो बाद में पता चलेगा. What did you say? Will the equation be
Solvable.
possible? Everything is possible in algebra. आप d को f से माइनस कर दो, f को d से माइनस कर दो, t को u से कर दो, u को t से कर दो. Everything is possible except division by zero. Division by zero is not possible, else everything is possible.
So, see, how do you know the value of d and f? If you can,
And sir,
बेटा
calculations with infinity.
बेटा what right now we don't know. That's why these are called expressions only. अभी तो एक्सप्रेशंस हैं. जब इक्वेशंस आएगी तब हम वैल्यू निकालेंगे.
Sir,
Okay,
I don't know why it's taking a long time to type.
it's all right.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's
It
look
takes so
here.
long to type the answers.
Smiley and Chippy. What is the sum of y and z?
Y plus Z.
So can
In
I write y plus z in brackets?
Yes, sir.
So now decrease this by x. Decrease this by x. So minus x. Have we understood?
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
I think it minus X should come front because we are decreasing.
बेटा
Y
इसको
plus Z
डिक्रीज,
big है.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेटा, इंग्लिश है, कोशिश करो समझने की. ये तो डेफिनेट है कि आप सही नहीं हो. नाउ इस इंग्लिश का ऐसा मीनिंग कैसा कर रहा है, दैट यू ट्राई थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड करो. इसके सम को डिक्रीज कर दो बाय एक्स. ये है मतलब प्योर हिंदी में, शुद्ध हिंदी में, इस सम को डिक्रीज कर दो एक्स से, कम कर दो एक्स से. ठीक है,
Okay.
ओके.
सर, इसमें उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, इसकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी खराब है.
खराब है? अब बेटा सही है जो भी है. नाउ वी गो कम टू multiplication. Now we come to multiplication. All right. So let's see. First,
All the answers.
I am showing the answers. 3 times x also means 3 multiplied by x.
It is
Will be
3.
written as 3x. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Product of 4 and x means 4 multiplied by x, also written as 4x. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now, 3 less than twice of x. Mr. Bambi, give the answer.
Sir, G less than twice of X.
3 beta this part, E part.
3. Sir, it will be X multiplied by 2 minus.
Which is
Sir, X
2x.
multiplied by 2 will be in bracket minus 3.
Beta it will be 2x minus 3. अब bracket की जरूरत नहीं है. Twice of x means 2 multiplied by x. How
Yes.
many of you understood this?
Sir.
So twice of x मतलब 2x. 3 less than that मतलब minus 3. All
Sir,
right.
but will they mark it wrong in the exam if I, instead of 2x, I write x multiplied by 2?
बेटा generally we don't write ना, वो teacher पे depend करेगा. She can. So we are learning new things, beta. Let's enjoy the challenge and the newness and the uniqueness and the newness and the newness and the uniqueness and the wonderful things of algebra.
Okay,
So B
sir.
and D, give the answer in the chat. So Smiley, keep your camera on. So this is magic of algebra. Enjoy it.
Okay,
So how
sir.
to put the multiplication sign?
You don't have to put the multiply sign.
Just
X
put
multiplied by 4 is 4x only. 4x. कुछ भी multiply का sign लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
But sir, then in the D part there is.
No, beta, there is no need.
Should we write yx or xy?
Anything is correct.
Yeah, we can write blah. Yeah. Swaram, don't. I'm warning you. What were you asking? What place and whatsoever? Get the regional.
So, Mr. Bambi, Rohan,
Sir, type in.
Smiley, Adya, Gauri, Chatty, don't sleep.
Yes. So just 1 second.
I sent it.
So, Smiley, what are my answers of Chip? What is my answer for B part?
Sir, for B part, 5x.
5x. Smiley, what is my answer for the D part?
Sir, x into y.
Which is just xy or yx. कुछ भी लिखोगे. जैसे 3 into 4 we
Sir,
can
I
write.
found f part.
वैसे ही 4 into 3 I can find. Now, guys, do the F part and H part. H part is tricky. F and H part. Ma'am, make this a star question if both of them are correct.
Third question. So when we writing when we don't write the multiplication sign like in algebra do that. So are there still brackets?
I didn't get your question. What are you saying?
For example, so if it's 5y, so do we still add brackets or do we not add brackets?
That 5y is simple 5y only. It doesn't need any brackets, nothing. It is 5.
So then will we have a break?
Let's see.
So please give a break.
Sir, please give a break, please.
So Candy, Mahuri, Rohan, Smiley,
Yes, sir, sent.
Gauri and Chip. Oh Gauri, oh dear Gauri. Gauri, where is my
I've
answer?
sent it.
Okay. So Gauri, what's the
So,
first answer?
so
Sent.
5 times, so 5 y/6.
5 times y is 5y. 5 times y is 5y. Added to x is plus x.
Yes,
If you write x plus 5y, then also it will be correct.
Commutative property.
yes, sir. 5y,
Now
5y.
4 times y is subtracted from 2. So Adya, what is 4? Hacker, what is 4 times y?
4y.
4y. Subtracted from 2. जो भी from के बाद आता है that becomes a minuend. So 2 minus 4y. ये तो पढ़ा है हमने guys. Whatever comes after from becomes the minuend. Have we studied or not?
So we have to,
Probability.
so we have to answer 2y. So we have to text you 2y or 2 minus 4y.
2 minus 4y है ना यहाँ पे केवल 2 है. This is a constant. This is a variable term. ठीक है?
Sir, can I go and get my tab's charger?
Your
Okay, Vita, you can bring some nuts also for yourself.
Okay, sir.
So do the G and H part. So now are we enjoying algebra?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Sir, sort
Why
of.
no? Why no? It's such a beautiful thing.
It's very,
Related to the E
so it's a very fun subject.
Yes,
topic.
G and I part.
3
So Hacker, are we enjoying algebra?
Yes, sir. Sir, maths has become letters now.
Yes.
And the physics has become numbers now.
Yes.
There are like thousands of formulas in physics. Please tell Ragini ma'am to switch on the camera. So it's the rule of the class that everybody must switch on their cameras. Well, ma'am has special rules.
Yes, Vita, I told you, no, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am is, according to sir, ma'am is very strict.
Yes.
And ma'am is the host, so ma'am, me not
Right,
supposed
sir,
to.
I think that you change your username from your laptop to Ragini ma'am, sir, so that you want to make a scare. You mainly do the checkings and all that from your laptop, but explain from the smart glass behind you.
Sir, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sir is right. ma'am.
Sir, can you show your board today?
Ragini ma'am spoke once. No one was paying attention though.
Sir, can you show your board today?
Vita, I can solve on it also. So Smiley, what's my first answer?
Yes, sir. 3x plus 4.
So it is
Send my answer.
3 times x is 3x. Increased by 4 is 4. So sum of x and y. So Adya, can you tell me what will be sum of x and y?
Sir, I have sent the answer. Z multiplied by x plus y.
Very good. X plus y multiplied by z. Now if I want, I won't use a multiply sign here. Because if it is together, it means multiplication only. Now next is, as you all would have guessed, is division.
Sir, if we put it is fine.
I think beta for this one it is fine.
So why did two whole like two of our names?
Because we are double genius now.
Okay.
So next beta, there is no need for questions, I think. I will just explain like this. X divided by 4 will be written as x upon 4. We all know that. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
1/3 of x plus y. So
Why can't
basically,
it be written as 4 by x?
That will be
yeah.
completely opposite.
So it will 4 by x will be 4 divided by x.
Okay.
So 1/3 of x plus y will be 1/3 into x plus y or
Sir,
x
algebraic
plus
is
y
boring
upon
after a
3.
while. The same thing.
No,
Algebra
no, beta,
is
it will be
boring.
interesting. 1/3 of the product of AB. So will be AB upon 3 or 1
What is
by 3 AB. 15 divided by x, 15 upon x. So should we solve further questions in the next class of
Sir,
algebra?
0 has no opposite, right?
So can
Zero is zero's
can-
opposite.
see
Sir,
your
can
mana
we see a
bird?
bird? Sir,
Bird.
can we see a
No,
bird if we
zero's
have
opposite
one?
is infinite.
No,
Sir, my
minus
bird did
infinity
not
is
make it.
opposite
So
is
you want to
minus
see my
infinity, like
bird?
plus infinity.
It did not make it, beta. It died, beta, unfortunately.
So can you give us a Rohan, yes, sir. Can you give us a break? Rohan, it's on a stopwatch. It keeps popping up.
Yeah, I was also about to start a stopwatch, but Rohan
All
started.
right. Look here, guys. Look here.
No, I can't do
So
it because he's doing it.
1 second, guys. Let me open something for you. Today we will learn about monomial, binomial, and trinomial.
I know it.
Wait, please.
Zero's opportunity.
Please, can you give us a break?
Sir, please.
Yes, sir. Can you ring?
I want to tell what happened today.
All right, we'll
Sir,
give a
half
4
time has
minutes break.
happened.
4 minutes break. Fine. Enjoy.
Yeah.
How did it die? Regional.
Sir, love screen share.
मैम क्या हुआ regionals आज?
मोनोमियल्स, बायनोमियल्स एंड ट्राइनोमियल्स, इसमें टर्म्स बहुत हैं यार. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में.
What does that even mean?
So monomials,
Sir, monomials mean that it has only one
polynomials with one term. Should I open a PPT or should I explain on like this only? I will give an example. देख तो लो, देख लो. For example,
What is polynomial?
I'm coming. जैसे 3x one term है, 7 one term है, 7 is a constant. 5x square again one term. Yes, 7x square. 7x square again one term. 10x cube again one term. So these are monomials. Let me open the
One
definition.
term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term.
Two terms कैसे होंगे? अगर मैं इसमें कुछ plus कर दूंगा, then it will be a two term. Let me open it from a book.
Sir, 2
to
terms
get
are
the exact.
monomials.
Two terms are binomials.
One
Three
term.
terms will be trinomials.
Sir, one term is.
Monomial.
What is polynomial then?
Monomial, binomial, trinomial.
Isn't how do you know it?
I have done this chapter before.
All right, let's see. A monomial. An expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. For example, 3x, one term. 5xy square, ये भी one term. Minus 2abc, again one term. Minus 8, again are all called monomials. Now, Let's see binomials, then we'll understand better. An expression containing two terms is called a binomial. Binomial. Bi matlab two. Mono means one, bi means two. 6 minus y. See, this is one term, this is second term. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Remember, terms are separated by plus or minus sign. 2x एक term, 3y two term. X square one term, 5x square y, x y square z two terms. All these are binomials. Have you understood? Yes or no?
X, Y, 2Z is a whole one monomial.
Yes. Minus 5x y square z is whole one monomial.
Can what?
सर ऐसे तो मोनोमियल भी बहुत लंबा हो सकता है सर.
मोनोमियल हो सकता है ना 7a b c d u y स्कूटी ये पूरा वन मोनोमियल हो सकता है जब तक इसमें प्लस और माइनस साइन का सेपरेटर नहीं आएगा तब तक ये मोनोमियल ही होगा
सर आप
because these are all multiplied a into b into c to u into v into
Also, an equation could be 7 into b c d x square minus d.
yes this is a binomial ये पूरा एक है ये एक और टर्म है so two terms means binomial now
This equation
let's read the third trinomial. So Mahuri, please read this.
An expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. Thus, 2 plus x minus y, a plus b plus c.
आराम से. 2 plus x minus y is a trinomial. Read the next one. Mahuri, next one. She got disconnected. A plus b plus c, trinomial. X cube minus y cube plus z cube, trinomial. 6 plus xy, z plus x square, trinomial. All right. Yes, I got it. And all of these monomial, binomial, trinomial are called polynomials. All right.
But sir, in the last it is written an expression containing two or more terms.
बेटा ये लिखा है इसमें but generally they all are called polynomials only. ये definition book to book differ कर जाती है polynomial. So it is written there.
So what's quadrinomial then?
Quadrinomial 4 का होता है but generally we study it as trinomial only. All right. So should we study degree today or no?
What is degree?
So let me do like terms also.
Sir,
So
when
like
will we
terms
start
like
coding?
we'll do the revision. 1 second.
Sir,
Yeah.
in American schools, algebraic expressions are taught in 7th, 8th, 9th. Why are we doing them in 6th?
Because we are not in America.
Indian.
India.
No, in school follows
in my
British.
school, IB school, we start we they only teach like fifth grade and sixth grade. They only start with basics of algebra, very very basics, and then seventh
Like
and
1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 minus
and
1.
no, like basics of algebra.
Yeah,
And then
these are
seventh
basics.
they go like, and the seventh they go like what we are doing.
What?
1 plus 1, 2 plus 2,
Yeah.
minus 1,
No, not
1
that.
minus 0.
That's not algebra.
That is.
No.
All right. So who will read this?
That's called
Me.
Sir, can I? Sir, can
Sir,
Chippy
chatting.
All right, Chippy, read. Fine.
I read it, so can I?
like terms? Like terms are terms whose variables as their exponents, such as the 2 in x square, are the same. In other words, terms that are like each other. Note, the coefficients
The numbers you
Coefficients. Coefficients.
the coefficient
Coefficients नहीं. Coefficients.
the coefficients, the numbers you multiply by, such as 5 and 5x, can be different. For example, 7x, x minus 2x are
They
all
are,
like terms are all
yes.
like terms
Okay,
because
okay.
the
Thank you. Thank you, Chippy. So these are all like terms 7x, x minus 2x. Now, why are like terms important?
So can I
Because we
tell?
can add or subtract them. Because we can add or subtract them. Gauri, please read from here to here.
All are like terms because the variables are all x. Example, 1 by 3 xy 2 square minus
1 by 3 xy
2xy
square. Because
square.
we read it, listen to me. We read it 1 by 3 xy square. Those square will not come in your linear equations, but ये इन्होंने explain करने के लिए दिया हुआ है. This all are like terms. Yes, Gauri, next one.
Sir, not they. You made this PPT.
Yes, I made
2xy square. 2xy
minus
square
2xy square.
minus 2xy square. 6xy square.
Correct.
Xy square slash 2
By 2.
are all like terms because the variables are all xy square.
So these
Sir,
are all like terms. We can always add them, subtract them.
excuse me,
Next.
sir.
Dad,
Yes.
Sir, but why are 2x and 2y not like terms, sir? The power levels, sir, both have a power level of 1.
So I will explain you. Let x be 10, y be 15. So when you say 2x plus x, we can add them, we will get 3x. We can add 2y. Now, let's say मेरी x की value 10 है. So I can add 20 plus 10. 2 into 10, 20 plus 10. 3 into 10, 30 हो जाएगा, right? हो जाएगा? Now,
Yes, sir.
if I add x and y, तो ये क्या बनेगा? आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या बनेगा? 3xy
25.
बनेगा क्या?
25.
कुछ बनेगा ही नहीं बेटा. ये 20 है, ये 15 है, इनको कंबाइन कर ही नहीं सकते आप. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज 2 into 10, दिस इज 15. कैसे कंबाइन करोगे?
so by saying
अंडरस्टूड?
so we can wouldn't it be like 35? I think it would be 35.
It will be 35, but if you don't know the value, then how will you write it?
Sir, I did not
Still
understand.
not understanding. It's
बेटा अभी कुछ अंडरस्टैंड की चीज नहीं है. अभी हम अनलाइक टर्म्स करते हैं, फिर आगे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. He just asked me why they cannot be added. So I was explaining him why they cannot be added because their values are different. See, 2 into 10 plus 3 into 10 can be written as 5 into 10. But 2 into 10 plus 15 cannot be written as 3 into 10 or 3 into 15. I cannot combine them जब तक मुझे add नहीं कर लूँ. All right.
so now I understood.
Okay. Next, unlike terms, Geetal read.
Unlike terms. If they are not like terms, they are called unlike terms. Example, these are all unlike terms because the variables and all their exponents are different.
What
2x,
is exponents?
2x square, 2y, 2xy.
So what is
So
exponents?
exponent ये जैसे ये 2 है ना, इसको exponent कहते हैं.
Sir, everything needs to be same, right? x2 पूरा होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ x में हो जाए, सिर्फ y हो जाए, सब में तो ठीक चलेगा.
See, 2x और 2x square different है, इनको आप add नहीं कर सकते. They are unlike. They are what? Unlike. You cannot add them.
So, sir, what do we have to say it?
They are unlike terms. That's it.
Sir,
This
unlike
is called 2x. This is called 2x square. This is called 2y. This is called 2xy.
sir, unlike is more popular, right?
It's not, beta. Everything is popular. Now next, combining like terms. I will explain. whenever we get like terms, we can combine them. जैसे 7x plus x. 7x plus क्या हो गया? x को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 1xp. Do you understand x और 1x same है?
Sir, 8x.
So it will be 8x because 7
Right.
plus 1 is 8. All right. So this we read by. Who wants to read this?
So me.
For me.
Sir, not me.
So Mr. Bar has not got a chance.
Even me, Mr. Bambi.
Sir, even I haven't.
Mr. Baby has got 1,000.
Yes, Mr. Bar.
Combining like terms. You can add like terms together to make one term. Example 7x plus x. They are both like terms, so you can just add them. 7x plus x is equal to 8x. By the way, why don't we write 1x? It is simpler to write x and is so common that 1x looks strange.
Yes, so because 1x looks strange, अगर हमें x लिखना हो तो हम केवल x लिख देते हैं, 1x नहीं लिखते. But they mean the same thing. All right?
So I think
Now
you
we
should remove the part where it looks strange, sir, because if a child says 2xy looks strange, then they will not write it, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, now let's see. In this one, which we will combine the like terms. Which are the like terms? 3x square and minus x square. They are like or not?
Yes, sir.
So they're like,
They are like. And minus 7 and plus 2 are like.
Sir, how they are like?
बेटा ये
because the power
कांस्टेंट्स है,
level is
माइनस
like
7
zero.
और प्लस 2 कांस्टेंट्स हैं, ये नंबर्स हैं, इसलिए लाइक हैं.
So, 3x को
3x
x से
स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर इसलिए लाइक है क्योंकि दोनों में x स्क्वायर आ रहा है.
Okay.
So then मेरा 4x क्यूब अनलाइक है, ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. I will write 3x क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर टुगेदर. मैंने इन दोनों को ब्लू वालों को कंबाइन कर लिया एंड कांस्टेंट को कंबाइन कर लिया -7 + 2. I can do 2 - 7 और -7 + 2. ये तो अनलाइक है, ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. What will be 3x square minus x square other than Mr. Bambi?
So what?
What will be 3x square minus x square?
So
So can we
3x
send in a
square
chat?
minus x square.
Sir, 2x square.
It will be 2x square. जैसे 3 - 1, 2x square. What will be -7 + 2?
Sir, minus 5.
understand.
5.
-5.
Then
Minus
everybody knows that.
बेटा सी, अगर 5x square minus 3x square होगा, they are like terms or unlike?
Like.
Like terms.
So we can subtract. जैसे 5 - 3 करते हैं ना, we can subtract them. 5 - 3 is 2. I will get
But
2x.
the example given as sir, I didn't understand the example.
Example given is 3x square और -x square इसमें एक साथ हैं. Can you see? This 3x square is there, this -x square is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can combine these two. 3 - 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 2x square. So I will get 2x square.
Yes, sir. But what about the first term?
First term वैसी ही लिखी रहेगी, उसका मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. All right, Candy.
Okay, sir.
So you will, beta, we will practice, then you will understand it.
4x3 plus 2x 2 equal to 5.
Beta, when we will practice na, then you will understand. Next, monomials. We have seen what are monomials, which have only one term. Now, they have given one special example, 2x plus 5x plus 10x. Is this a monomial or not?
They're not.
It
Trinomial.
is a monomial.
Not.
It is a monomial. Because I can add 2 plus 5 plus 10, I will get 17x.
So it can become a monomial.
Yes, बेटा, but
It
इसको मैं,
isn't a monomial.
अगर ये क्वेश्चन में आएगा, मैं उसको मोनोमियल ही बोलूँ. जैसे 70 है, मोनोमियल है. अगर मैं इसको अगर 70 - 14 भी क्वेश्चन में हो, then also it is monomial only. I will call it monomial only.
Then how will we
Because
differentiate?
I will tell you, if I give you a question 2x plus 3y square, it is a binomial. आप combine नहीं कर सकते.
Okay. If they're unlike, then only they're
If they
binomial.
are unlike, yes.
Okay, got it.
Next, binomial, trinomial. So let's solve some question. Then the concept will be clear to you.
That is what I fear.
So in the 7th question, just give the part. If this is a monomial, just write A. So 7th question, just give the monomials to Ragini ma'am in the chat.
So we have to tell which one is the
Yes. अगर 2 हो तो दोनों आंसर देने हैं आपको. 3 हो तो तीनों देने हैं. 4 हो तो चारों देने हैं.
Okay, sir.
For example, A और C हैं. So you give A and A comma C in the chat to Ragini ma'am for the 7th question. All right. Ma'am, if someone misses one monomial, give them an arrow instead of a cross. If someone gives a wrong answer, then give a cross. So, Mr. Ba.
Sir, we get a heart.
Oh, it's correct. Sorry, Diya, it's correct.
I'm also wondering which other monomial is there.
Ragni ma'am, can you check mine? Mine too.
So let it be. Let's discuss now. We are getting it wrong. Let's discuss. So, Mr. Blah, first one is what?
Check mine.
It's okay, beta.
Yes.
It's okay. Mr. Blah, what is the first one? Monomial, binomial, or trinomial?
Some monomial.
Beta, why monomial? This is one term, two term, three term. अगर A, B, C एक साथ होता तो वो monomial होता. These are three terms, so it will be a trinomial.
Okay.
Understood? Let's do the B part. B part, smiley. Is it monomial, binomial, trinomial?
Sir, B part is a monomial, but A part is also.
बेटा chip I'm asking a question to Dharna. आपको doubt है आपको मैं I'll clear it. Yes,
I thought
smiley.
you
What
were
is my B
asking me.
part?
Sir, binomial.
अच्छा, this is monomial. Mn. जब तक प्लस साइन नहीं आता m plus n binomial. Ma'am, please don't check now. Mn monomial. Monomial. C part chip. Now your chance chip. C part.
Sir, C part is a binomial.
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 D part hacker your chance.
Shouldn't it be a poly?
Trinomial.
Trinomial. Then Mahuri E part.
Some monomial.
Monomial. Fine.
Excuse
Now
me,
we
sir.
are getting it.
A part should be
Sir, for the B part, sir, shouldn't it be binomial?
तो बेटा मल्टीप्लाई में कितने भी एक साथ कर दो इट विल बी अ मोनोमियल.
then A part should be a
ए
monomial.
पार्ट बेटा एक लिटरल ये एक अनलाइक टर्म दूसरी अनलाइक टर्म तीसरी अनलाइक टर्म.
Then we can write that as ABC.
You cannot write them as ABC. ABC means A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This
But then
is
how can we
A
write minus 5mn?
minus 5 mn मतलब -5 multiplied by m multiplied by n. ये भी अभी करेंगे. These questions
Write
also
like
we will
this.
be
Why
doing.
can't we write A multiplied by B multiplied by C? Oh,
We
that is
will do
plus
it.
sign.
Sir,
Oh.
US Scooty qualified for nationals?
For what has he qualified as for nationals?
Oh,
All right. So you have to give 1, 2, 3. For monomial, write m, binomial, write b, and t. Suppose पहला है binomial, so you will send b. Second है trinomial, you will send t. Third है monomial, so you will send btm. So you will send whatever the first letters of first three questions.
Then why did you tell the answers?
मैंने आंसर नहीं बोला बेटा, मैंने ऐसे एग्जांपल दिया है.
So if it's more than 3, sir, then what do we have to write?
If it's more than 3, then you have to write polynomial p. Remember, terms are separated by plus and minus sign. अगर दो terms को आपको पहचानना है, वो दोनों separate होंगी plus और minus signs.
So is this the last question of the day, or we are going to solve some other questions as well?
I can't comment. I can't comment. We have to study. We are in grade 6. We have to become studious and study more and more.
Why most of the children are getting the third one wrong?
I didn't get the third one that well.
So you know that our English language teacher in school, she didn't even make us complete the whole syllabus. We are still left with the whole tenses exercise, and our exam is on Monday.
I've
Again,
completed that from home.
That one's better.
Yeah, but
So,
still we don't
what's
know
my
if the
first
answers are
answer?
correct.
Ours isn't complete either, and I have to miss today's whole Friday session for yoga.
So, Hacker, what's my first answer?
Monomial.
Mahuri, what's the problem in this? This is one term, beta.
Sir, I
This
got
is
confused.
okay. So, see, in the second one, there is one term, two terms separated by minus sign, three term, plus and minus. First term, second term, third term. Yes.
In the first one, there are two signs. So won't it be binomial?
Beta, there is only one sign. माइनस ही तो 3xyz एक ही तो टर्म है. अगर मैं इसमें कुछ ऐड करूं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं तब होंगी दो
Okay,
टर्म्स.
sir.
अभी तो मैं कुछ ऐड कर ही नहीं रहा इसमें, एक टर्म है ये.
Okay,
If I
sir.
add plus 7z, then it becomes two terms. This
Okay,
is
sir.
one negative term. This is one term, two term, three term. Now this is one term monomial. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, all right, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
And I'm going to fail.
Bye,
the
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye,
I'm
sir.
going to fail the maths cycle test.
Thank you, sir.
You
Bye.
will not, Saturn, even. Acha, you are not giving this time. I mean.
Yes, 0 marks.
Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys.